x squared minus y squared equal to 13,872 xy 2023. We want to find xy. So here, one way is to use replacement and find x and y. Another way is to, for example, try to find one answer. 2023 is 7 times 17 squared. Okay, and you can see that 13,872, you can write it as what squared minus what squared. If you work with 717, we will see we can reach some answer. It's 17 squared times 13,872. 17 squared, if you factorize 17 squared times 48, which is, you can say 17 squared times 49 minus 1, or you can say, if you want to write it as difference of two squares, you can say 17 squared times 48 equal to 7 squared times 49 minus 1, which is 17 squared times 7 squared minus 17 squared. Okay. So one answer for this problem, x equal to 17 times 7 and y equal to 70. You can also consider, you can negate both x and y because it has no effect on both equations. So another answer is negative 17 times 7 and negative 17. Okay, we found two answers for x, y, but we should check, do we have any other answer or not? So we use here replacement for this equation. We find y in terms of x. And then replace in other equations. So let's write another answer. As I said, negative x is negative 17 times 7 and y equal to negative 17. Y equal to, if we use second equation, y equal to 2023 over x. If we replace in first equation, it will be x squared minus 2023 over x squared equal to 13,872 x to the 4. If we multiply by x squared, it will be x to the 4 minus 2023 squared equal to 13,872 x squared. Then x squared minus 13,872 times x squared minus 2023 squared equal to 0. Here you can use quadratic formula. If you replace x squared with w, then w squared minus 13,872 w minus 2023 squared equal to 0. Or we can factorize, especially because we found one answer for xy. So one answer for w is x squared, which is 17 times 7 squared. So we can say w minus 17 squared times 7 squared is one factor because w is x squared and we found one answer. So w minus 17 squared times 7 squared. And because we want to reach 2023 squared, if you place plus 17 squared, so 2023 squared has been created. Also, if you add these two things, if you factor from 17 squared, it will be 17 squared. 1 minus 49, it will be negative 48. And it is exactly negative 13,872. So the first one is 0 or second one 0, second term. So if first term is 0, you reach w squared, w equal to 17 squared times 7 squared, and because w is x squared, so x equal to plus minus 17 times 7, the answer that we've reached in the beginning of the solution. And so if x is 17 times 7, y is 17, these two answers. So let's write. And it satisfies both equations, these two answers. So x equal to 17 times 7, y equals 17, negative 17 times 7, x. Sorry, let me correct this one. 17, negative 17 times 7, which is negative 9,119, and here 119, and y equal to 70, negative 70. So these two answers we found. If second term is 0, w plus 17 squared is 0. So w, in real numbers, we don't have any other answer. But here, if we work in some complex numbers, you can say w squared equal to negative 17 squared. Okay, you can check for complex numbers and find related answers for x and y for this. And comment your answers right below this video. Or if you want to learn, you can send message to my WhatsApp number. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell, and like the video. Thanks. See you next time. Bye.